So if you guys have any idea what Overwatch is, let us know in the comments below so we can check it out. You know, right? It's always fun. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Just got back from our local Walmart and found these Overwatch series cars. Now this isn't something that I would watch. I've never seen it. So if you guys have any idea what Overwatch is, let us know in the comments below so we can check it out. You know, right? It's always fun when somebody tells us about something that we don't know. We can check it out. Appreciate it, always. You guys know that. Let's get to it. There's 5 cars in the series, 5 vehicles. And this, again, like I said, is the Overwatch. And this one is Tracer, whoever this character is. And he is driving the Power Pro. And, you know, it looks a little bit like something else from the mainline series. But, hey. Well, we're going to check it out. It is done in orange enamel. The interior is white. Windows are a really light blue tint. There is a tampo on the back there. I can't make it out. Next to the big white plastic wing. Tampos on the side are light blue, black, orange, and white. The front grille is part of the white plastic interior. And the base is gray metallic plastic. The wheels are white painted MC5s, big ones in the back and little ones in front. And that is the Power Pro. Number 2, Soldier 76. And that is done in, well, this is the Solid Muscle, it's called. And that is done in a very dark blue. Looks like red and yellow. 76 on the hood and white on the top. Interior is white with a dark red transparent window. Back of the open bed there is also white plastic. The front splitter is white plastic. Tampos on the side. Light pearl blue, white, yellow, red. Let's see. Yeah, that's it for the tampos on the side. Wheels are red chrome trap 5s. Big ones in the back, little ones in the front. And the base is gray plastic. And that is the Soldier 76. Number 3 is the Reinhardt. And that is done in a gray metallic. Has dark red and white tampo on the hood. Interior is gray. Windows are orange transparent. Tampos on the side, gray, white, black, and yellow. Let's see. The base. Oh, actually, there's a whole center section there that is gray plastic, and which probably goes with the interior. The wheels are very large, very, very large, blacked out OR6s with a red chrome ring on them. And the base is black plastic. That looks like it would go through pretty much anything. Wow, that's cool. The Reinhardt. Oh, this is D.Va. And of course, it's a cute little girl's car. And it is done in a light blue on the top, and the base is white plastic. Interior looks to be gray, and looks like there's some, I don't know, looks like there's some blue chrome on the valve covers in the back through the blue transparent window. Really can't see exactly what it is, but that's what it looks like. It looks like some blue chrome valve covers. There is a little white bunny on the hood with some pink all around it. Some pink on the rear wing. And there's a picture of D.Va on the side with pink and black and white. And there's also some dark red in there. The front grille is basically blank and just smooth. And the rear, that's about it too. The wheels are blacked out MC5s with a pink ring around them, and they're both the same size all the way around. And that is D.Va. Last one up is the Roadhog, and that is really cool looking. It has a yellow plastic cab on it. Window is a black plastic. The stacks are black plastic. The box on the back is gray metallic plastic with a black plastic door that folds down. The base is a gray metallic painted metal base. And the temple on the side is a very dark white, you know, like a dirty white, maybe a light gray with black and yellow and orange in it, and gray with black on the top. The wheels are kind of small, yellow painted beadlocks all the way around. And that is the Baja hauler. And the guy driving this is the Roadhog. So there's all 5 of the Overwatch cars from the Overwatch series. And again, please, if you guys know what this series is all about, tell us where we can watch it and what it's all about. All right? Cool. Always appreciate the help. Thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please be kind to one another. And don't forget to subscribe. All right? All right. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, guys, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.